Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube profile. So guys, first thing what you will do is simply go to youtube.com and click on your profile on the top right corner of the screen over here guys. And a drop down will show up and just simply click on view your channel over here. So click on view your channel. And now from here, you should be able to see here, customize channel. So click on customize channel. And now from here, right away, you should be able to see here picture. So this will be your channel picture and just simply click on change over here. And now just simply select the logo that you have. So just simply click on it and click on open. And from here, guys, you can rearrange it. And now from here, just simply click on done on the bottom right and make sure to click on publish on the top right corner of the screen over here, guys. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just simply comment down below. And thanks for watching. See ya.